We really are a team, and our goal is to support the customer. I'm Simon Tremblay, customer service engineer. My role is to be the primary point of contact for every Bell owner-operator in the region of Quebec, Ontario.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Levier. I'm part of the team at Product Support Engineering. I'm located here in Mirabel, Quebec. Our job is to help and support our CSEs with bigger issues that may arise on the Bell product.
My role in that sense is a bit different than most of the other CSEs because I'm here with you guys. I see you guys on a weekly basis. So I'm like the eyes of the other CSEs for the production line and even the connection with you guys.
Your team for the CSEs are a little bit like us at Product Support, where we all have our little niche of expertise. Remember, we worked on that 505 improvement for the doors, and you were able to get some replacement doors for that one customer that wanted a solution immediately.
Yeah, there was quite a situation there where he called me. I was in Western Canada for some event, and you were able, being here at the factory, to quickly go on the floor and find a solution for the customer. And I think within a couple of days, he has his replacement part.
Our customers are maybe not aware of or realize is that we work hand in hand sharing of knowledge and information on a daily, weekly, yearly basis.
We work closely with PSC all the time. We always go back and forth. They need our help to get some feedback from the customer, and we need their help to get feedback for either engineering or program, but we really are a team and we work together.